Hey, I hope you like my first video. Again, like and subscribe. My videos will be, I don't want to say few and far in between, but because of the fact that I'm just not proficient with always grabbing the GoPro to film what I'm doing, I'm more of one where, I just want to set a task in place and work to get it done without stopping, grabbing the camera, getting some video, explaining what it is I'm doing and so forth, and then, going back to work on what it was I was doing. So I'm in need of developing those habits. Again, like I said, this is pretty much my very, very first time putting any content on YouTube and having a dedicated channel to the projects that I'm doing. As I mentioned with this Blazer, this did come from somebody's yard or field or farm before Mike got it and before I bought it off of Mike at his auction. The Biscayne I mentioned earlier, this one, that came out of a dairy farmer's field, and it's come a long way since that time. My Skylark came out of a farmer's field as well, and that had no motor, no transmission. The interior is trashed. A lot of the front end was apart on it. I've got some pictures of that as well that I've taken as I started that project and built it up so far to be able to run and drive. So I'm trying to be as true to my YouTube channel being named, what the heck is it now off the top of my head? Field to Road Garage. So I don't know if you'll ever see too many videos of me going out, seeing a car, trying to get it running, and then drive it home. I just live in a rural neighborhood, 3-car garage, don't have a lot of space to do that kind of content. So basically the content that I'll be supplying on my YouTube channel is the stuff that I have on hand now and in my garage. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Again, like and subscribe. Let me know your opinions. I will read them. If I can get all this stuff figured out, I'll respond to some. But I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to hear your opinions and your thoughts. And yeah, wish me luck, guys. I hope I didn't ramble too much, and I hope you enjoy my channel. Thanks. Have a good one. Ciao for now.